Let's go. I'm running so late. Wow.
I'm not looking, but I'm looking.
So good.
Oh my God.
Are my vlogs boring now? All done. Good morning, guys. What's up? Welcome back to the vlog. Today is honestly a chill day. I did have some lunch plans that got last minute canceled, and not gonna lie, I love when plans get canceled. When someone says like, can we reschedule? I'm always the one who's like, oh my God, yeah, no problem. I just love, I don't know. Let me know if you're the same, but today's Saturday and I feel like this is the perfect day to have an at-home, like just catch up, clean, organized day. Also, I know I'm a broken record. I keep saying that I want to start going through my clothes to figure out what I should donate, what I should sell, what I should just like organize and all that stuff. And I've yet to do that. So today might be the day. This is the current state of the living room, current state of the stairs. I need to take all this stuff upstairs. And the current state of the kitchen. It's not that bad. I just need to like organize all this. I just did a load of dishes. As you can tell, the curtains aren't here. I washed them because I've never washed them the whole past, 5 years that they've been up. I always get so overwhelmed with like where to start when it comes to cleaning. And obviously Ashley is really good at cleaning and she's like, you just don't think about it. You just like grab everything. And I'm like, where do we start? Okay, let's start with the big stuff. Hat needs to go upstairs. This whole bag needs to go upstairs. Purse can stay down here. Fly swatter, because the flies have been insane. I got my Apple pencil. I feel like I'm overwhelmed. Okay. Oh, shit. Okay, shit. How did I do this? Don't die. I missed a loop. Come on. Oh my God. God, why am I out of breath? There we go. Okay. One side's done. Let's go. Why am I out of breath, dude? They look so much better. I definitely should have hung them up when they were still like the tiniest bit wet, but luckily they're linen, so I feel like the wrinkled look kind of looks okay. Also, I just realized, obviously this is gold, and I've been wanting to change that rod to white, and now would have been the time to do that, but it's okay. Also, yes, I slept in my glam from yesterday. I feel like it only looks okay. Maybe it's because I don't have like accessories or makeup on. Sometimes when I get my hair done, because I got it done for Pretty Basic yesterday, I'm like, if I paid that, like we need this to last. But anyways, kitchen is looking so good. She's clean, curtains are hung. Okay, I decided in honor of Beyonce and her concert, we're changing the book. Like, also this is the centerfold of the book, so that's how you know, like, wow. Stunning. Why do I low-key feel like this is like in Devil Wears Prada when they say like the book, you know what I mean? Oh my God, I need to get better at changing this more often just because like that's the whole point of having it. Guys, I'm giving poot with my hair. I was just trying to make it still look good. But that is a little update of picking up the living room. I kind of feel like this looks better without the tall flowers that I have there normally. I'm so happy with how this room has turned out over the past like year. Also, I'm excited because my money tree has new little sprouts on it. All right, I still have a lot more cleaning to do, but I'm definitely gonna take a little break right now. I just ordered some food from Health Nut because a salad sounded great. One thing I absolutely hate about myself is I will like eat the same thing for 2 weeks straight to where I get sick of it and then I forget about it because then I'll get onto something else. And I feel like it's been a while since I've had like a Health Nut salad. I'm gonna die if it was literally shown in the last vlog, but I don't think so. While we wait for that to come, I wanted to take this time to give a shout out to our sponsor, BetterHelp. Anytime I work with them, I always love to teach you guys what I've learned in therapy. I've been with my same therapist for literally, I wanna say 6 or 7 years, probably 6 years. Oh my God, I had long blonde hair. I remember, oh my God, insane. We've come so far. My life has completely changed from therapy. I remember when I first went in, I thought I was going just for stress. I was like, oh, I should talk to someone, I'm super stressed. Little did I know the trauma we were about to dive into. Because I was someone who thought I didn't really need it, and now I am the biggest like spokesperson. I truly think every single person should try therapy or even just an outlet to express your emotions, whether that's songwriting, journaling, art, the gym, like whatever it is. It's crazy how much of our feelings we keep bottled in, and even things from childhood that you consciously think you're over or like you don't care about, deep down, like your subconscious is actually like, it changes your life, like truly. Now, since I've been with my therapist for quite some time and she knows every little thing about me, all my deepest, darkest secrets, I personally don't use BetterHelp. I always want to make that clear anytime they're sponsoring, but I do think it is a really good tool to help pair you with a therapist and help you find someone. I've had family members use it. I've had really close friends use it. And there's some times where maybe you find someone and you're like, you know what, we don't vibe as much. I feel like you aren't the right fit for me. You're not the right therapist for me. And that's so normal and okay. It takes most people a few times to find someone. It really is like dating, where you have to find someone who really understands what you need and what your love language is and how you need to hear things and how they need to, like, some people like tough love and some people need that. Others, on the other hand, like need someone holding their hand through those times. I really love that they're aware that it takes a while to find the right therapist, and if you do want to change it, it's totally fine and you can do it in like the click of a button. Also, if you really struggle with staying in the house and social anxiety and getting out of the house, you can even just text and email your therapist at any time. Totally no pressure, but if you're interested, if it's your first time signing up, you can get 10% off your first month if you use my link, which is www.betterhelp.com/AlishaMarieVlogs. And again, that's for 10% off your first month. I've had a lot of people asking me how I'm personally doing right now and my mental health, and it's actually been good. This is how you know, I mentioned this on Pretty Basic, but I've been feeling so good mentally that for the first time in 3 years, I've actually debated getting off of my anxiety meds because I'm like, wow, I'm actually doing really well. And eventually I'd like to taper off. I know that's gonna be a whole other like thing I'm gonna have to deal with when that does come. But for the first time I was like, oh my God, maybe it's time to slowly get off of it. But then the other part of me was like, if we're doing good, maybe we should not mess up what's working right now. You know what I mean? So if you guys have any advice on weaning off of anxiety or depression meds, anti-depression meds, then please let me know in the comments, because I would appreciate that. I've never done it before, and I know for some people it's super easy, for others it's really hard. There's also never gonna be a good time. Like, I'm never gonna feel like, wow, I can finally do it, because it's always gonna be scary. You know what I mean? I don't know. Anyways, we should continue cleaning, even though I really don't want to. We got the goods. So good. I truly think this is my favorite salad. And you gotta get it with the chopped romaine. We changed. I realized that if I don't move my body, I'm gonna go crazy. Me, after this mental health talk saying like, I've been really good, then I don't know what, I just like feel like the past like hour or so, I started feeling like so blah. And I was like, Alicia, it's because you haven't moved your body in like days. So I'm gonna take Rosie for a walk. And I got this new leash, okay? I got it from Amazon. It's neon pink, slay cute. I'll have my affiliate link in the description box, but this goes around. And then this guy goes on here. And then, ladies and gentlemen, you have a dog leash that is hands-free. Rosie, won't go for a walk? You won't go for a walk, mama? Yeah? You wanna go for a walk? Go for a walk? Let's go. This is the absolute coolest thing I think I've ever bought. And like, I'm hands-free, I can vlog, and I can be on my phone. If you have a dog, you absolutely need this. And then there's little handles so you can still have her like come closer. This is the vibe. Best purchase I've ever made. We're hands-free. Also, I love having my headphones on because people can just think I'm talking on the phone when I'm vlogging. I feel like I just figured out the best life hack of life. I mean, obviously there's still a camera here and people can probably see the camera, but. Good girl. Do you like it? I love that. With almond milk, and then I'll also do the ninja bowl. Your name? Alicia. Alicia. Good morning.
Good morning. Happy Sunday fun day. It's for you, my lady. Good morning. Good morning. I'm ready.
What are we doing?
Pilates at our hair salon.
Let's go. Guys, look where we are. This is so fun. Wait, also, last time we were here together, I was sitting right here.
That was the last time I got my hair done.
I think I've been here one time since.
I'm coming back next week.
Also, this is how you do it. Not them having actual phone stands so we can get content. They gave us these aloe sets. How cute. Dude, I think my period's starting soon. Look at my boobs. Or I've just gained weight. Not me having sweat already. Oh my god, you guys already have boob sweat. No, I are. Look at her.
Oh my god.
So go ahead and lower into the ball. You're going to take an inhale. Now stay connected to the ball as you curl up on your exhale. Good.
This is really hard. I look like I'm fucking Einstein.
All right. Stop. You guys are going to keep going.
This is so hard. I've always wanted to be like a hot Pilates type girl, and this is why I'm not, because it's
On the
so
next one, you guys are
hard.
going to hold it at the top. Now you're going to do most of you do Pilates. Yeah.
Yeah.
In 3, in 2, and 1.
Guys, we're having a bestie day. We're just bopping on Rodeo because, like, what? We were down the street and sometimes we just forget we live here. We figured we'd get some coffee after our Pilates workout. Alfred's right here, so why not? And I have a gift card, so slay. Also, today is stunning. Also, this is such a cute location. What are you gonna get, matcha?
I think nothing. I think I haven't had enough to eat. Too much caffeine. I start spinning.
You don't want anything?
I don't think so.
You want a snack?
Maybe I'll get an iced tea. Oh, maybe a kombucha.
Guys, I still have $10 left on my gift card.
These people next to us are on a first date, and I was eavesdropping. And I know that's your least favorite part of a first date, but I love. I'm not looking, but I'm looking. Also, they're outside. They can't hear me. Don't worry.
It's also so loud, so hopefully we don't get copyrighted.
They're so cute. Did you see them?
Them right here?
He was chivalrous. We love.
Wait, this guy right here?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
She's sitting outside.
Oh my god. I love love. But yeah, that's my worst nightmare is when people know I'm on a first date. I'm like, I don't want people eavesdropping.
I have my sunglasses on because now I'm looking and you can't tell I'm looking. He got her drink and brought it outside for her.
The bar is in hell. For like, he bought it her drink. No, this is genuinely like so pretty today. The weather.
Summer.
You want to sip?
Yeah, I do. Thank
Share.
you. Oh my god.
With the honey.
Oh,
Yeah.
the honey. Mmm.
We're currently at Aroma, one of our favorite places. Shrimp salad. The best chips and guac ever.
The chicken is good too. Mm-hmm.
Hoping you don't fall in the guac.
So good. This is my favorite kind of salad ever.
Mm-hmm.
Fucking love honey mustard.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm. Mmm. Very mustardy.
Good morning. I'm running so late. Actually, I'm not. I'm fine now, but I went to bed last night pretty early, like around like 10:30, right? Granted, I did wake up a few times throughout the night, but my alarm went off at 8:30 this morning. I fell back asleep and I woke up at 11. So apparently I needed it. Regardless, I'm headed out the door because we're gonna go record Pretty Basic. So we didn't have time to really do my hair, which anytime my hair's in a sleek little bun like this, it's because I didn't have time to do my hair or my hair's nasty and sweaty. And today it's because I didn't have time to do my hair. Maybe we'll do like a tutorial of the perfect sleek bun because there's a few little products that really help. Here's the fit. I'm wearing the tank top that's from Target. It definitely fits a little different than I thought it would, but I actually kind of like that's a little loose here. I feel like it's gonna be a go-to because I can always like crop it if I want, or we can leave her long. I have a jacket that I'm gonna wear, but it's so hot out right now, so I'm just gonna put it on later. Jeans are good American. We have our green Nikes, some gold jewelry. And with that, I need to leave. Right? Just parked. Let's get it. Lunch break. Today was one of those perfect days where Rem was like, wait, I'm so hungry. Did you bring a lunch? I was like, wait, I'm so hungry. No, I didn't bring a lunch. I was like, let's get lunch. So health nut it is.
Let's get luncheon.
Let's get luncheon.
And now I'm going to shake my salad like AlishaMarie does. And how do I shake again? I don't usually get the salad.
You gotta like shake it, but kind of toss it.
I just feel like it's not gonna work.
Here, do you want me to do it?
Oh.
You guys, I can't. I literally can't. Bro. You really think you're a human. I know, I'm sorry. But like...
Well, update, it's obviously much later. I showered, had dinner, and then just been kind of chilling and watching some YouTube videos. And I moved upstairs to lay in bed and watch some YouTube videos. We got our mood lighting. Honestly, I have no idea how long this vlog is. I'm either gonna mix it or maybe it'll just be a shorter one. Also, while I was watching all of these YouTube videos, I was like, I had these thoughts. I was just like, are my vlogs boring now? Like, what? So any like constructive criticism on the vlogs, I would love. I know like this is about the time. I feel like every few months I always do like a kind of, not a rebrand, but I'll like find new music that I like. I'll use new graphics or a new intro. So I'm like, maybe it's just that time or I'm like wanting something new that way. Or maybe I'm just overthinking and tired. But anyways, I'm gonna go to bed. I love you guys so much and I will see you. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog tomorrow. I might go to the beach. So we'll see. But I love you guys and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Ew, that was cringe.
He got bitches, bing, 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 bing. He got bitches, he got bitches, he got bitches, bing, 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 bing. He got bitches, he got bitches, he got bitches, bing, bing.